am cooking lunch.
I am cooking lunch.
I am cooking lunch.
I am preparing a midday meal for nourishment. I am taking a selfie.
I am taking a selfie.
I am taking a selfie.
I am capturing a photo of myself with my phone. I am painting a picture.
I am painting a picture.
I am painting a picture.
I am applying paint to create a visual artwork. I am making a smoothie.
I am making a smoothie.
I am making a smoothie.
I am blending fruits into a healthy drink. I am riding the bus.
I am riding the bus.
I am riding the bus.
I am using public transportation to get to my destination. I am picking up groceries.
I am picking up groceries.
I am picking up groceries.
I am shopping for food and household items. I am visiting a museum.
I am visiting a museum.
I am visiting a museum.
I am exploring exhibits to learn more about culture or history. I am jogging with my dog.
I am jogging with my dog.
I am jogging with my dog.
I am running at a steady pace with my pet dog. I am ironing clothes.
I am ironing clothes.
I am ironing clothes.
I am using an iron to remove wrinkles from my clothes. I am cleaning my glasses.
I am cleaning my glasses.
I am cleaning my glasses.
I am wiping smudges off my eyeglasses for clarity. I am taking a break.
I am taking a break.
I am taking a break.
I am pausing my work to rest for a while. I am making coffee.
I am making coffee.
I am making coffee.
I am brewing a cup of coffee for myself. I am working out.
I am working out.
I am working out.
I am exercising to improve my physical health. I am washing my hands.
I am washing my hands.
I am washing my hands.
I am cleaning my hands with soap and water for hygiene. I am playing with my cat.
I am playing with my cat.
I am playing with my cat.
I am engaging in fun activities with my pet cat. I am visiting a friend.
I am visiting a friend.
I am visiting a friend.
I am going to my friend's house to spend time together. I am going for a walk.
I am going for a walk.
I am going for a walk.
I am taking a stroll around my neighborhood. I am listening to a podcast.
I am listening to a podcast.
I am listening to a podcast.
I am tuning into a digital audio program to learn something new. I am meditating.
I am meditating.
I am meditating.
I am focusing my mind to achieve mental peace. I am eating ice cream.
I am eating ice cream.
I am eating ice cream.
I am enjoying a cold, sweet dessert. I am fixing the sink.
I am fixing the sink.
I am fixing the sink.
I am repairing a leaky or clogged sink. I am practicing singing.
I am practicing singing.
I am practicing singing.
I am practicing singing. I am watching a documentary.
I am watching a documentary.
I am watching a documentary.
I am learning about a subject through a nonfiction film. I am playing the guitar.
I am playing the guitar.
I am playing the guitar.
I am strumming the strings of my guitar to create music. I am taking a walk in the rain.
I am taking a walk in the rain.
I am taking a walk in the rain.
I am enjoying the weather while strolling in the rain. I am folding my clothes.
I am folding my clothes.
I am folding my clothes.
I am neatly arranging my clothes after washing them. I am brushing my hair.
I am brushing my hair.
I am brushing my hair.
I am detangling my hair with a brush. I am visiting the library.
I am visiting the library.
I am visiting the library.
I am going to the library to read or borrow books. I am playing volleyball.
I am playing volleyball.
I am playing volleyball.
I am engaging in a volleyball game with friends or teammates. I am playing chess.
I am playing chess.
I am playing chess.
I am competing in a strategic game of chess. I am visiting a zoo.
I am visiting a zoo.
I am visiting a zoo.
I am exploring a park to observe animals.